In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Naruto Storm 4 with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start, I want to say that I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up your controller if you own Naruto's Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 on Steam. So, as you can see, according to the store page, the game has full controller support highlighted over here, which means that as long as you run the game through Steam, any controller that you want to use, Xbox controllers, PlayStation controllers, or even generic controllers will work. All that you have to do is ensure that Steam is properly detecting and setting up your controller. So open up Steam, go into your library and select Naruto Ninja 4 from the list of games. As you can probably notice, I don't actually have the game on my account, so I'm just going to use Call of Duty as an example. When you select a game from your library, you will be able to go all the way to the right side and click Manage. Afterwards, go into the properties for the game and select the controller settings. In here, you have to make sure that Steam input is enabled. So if it says default settings are disabled, make sure you switch it over to enable Steam input. You can also click the controller general settings to make sure that Steam input is enabled for your specific controller. So for example, if you have a generic controller like I do, make sure that Steam input for the generic controllers is enabled. Like I said, as long as Steam is detecting your controller, you will be able to open up the game and it's going to be natively detected and Steam is going to help you set it up. Just make sure that it is being picked up by Windows, that Steam input is enabled, and all the keybinds in the game will automatically be adapted. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Naruto Storm 4 with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.